Yes, they might take a bit of time and effort, but that's what makes homemade gifts so unique. You could go out and purchase presents for everyone on your holiday list, but DIY Christmas gifts are much more thoughtful and won't break the bank. With inflation and the rising cost of living, presents can get very expensive. And if it's something your loved one doesn't really want or need, then you'll be spending money on something that will just end up in a drawer or at the back of a closet. This is why homemade gifts are so ideal for Christmas. Here are the top 7 easy and inexpensive homemade gifts for Christmas that anyone would love. But before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe for more money-saving ideas. At number 7, we have a homemade memory board. A trip to the flea market may help you find a vintage enamelware tray. Due to its magnetic properties, it would be perfect for celebrating cherished memories with a family member or friend. Choose some fun magnets to attach photos and other mementos, such as old ticket stubs. Attach command strips or double-sided Velcro to the back so your recipient can hang it on the wall. At number 6, we have DIY Bubble Bath Gift Box. If your best friend is anything like mine, she can always use a night of pampering. This gift box comes complete with bath salts, rose, a bar of chocolate, and more to help her relax. To make one yourself, all you need is a cute gift box, some bubble bath, a gift card for her favorite spa, and other small pampering treats. The items don't have to be expensive. Choose brightly colored bath salts, a scented candle, and maybe a face mask or two. At number 5, we have homemade peppermint hot chocolate mix. Nothing beats cool winter weather like a steaming mug of hot chocolate, and this homemade peppermint version is extra special. To make it, you'll need milk chocolate chips, powdered cocoa mix, crushed candy canes or peppermint candies, and marshmallows. Simply melt the chocolate chips in a saucepan with a bit of milk, then stir in the cocoa mix and crushed candy until well combined. Pour into a jar or cute holiday container and top with marshmallows. At number 4, we have goat's milk soap. Follow these easy steps to make beautiful bars of soap that will look like they cost a fortune. First, melt the soap. Pour the mixture into the silicone mold of your choice. Let it set for 4 hours, then pop out your bar. To wrap these soaps, you can use unbleached coffee filters, rectangular cardboard boxes, and paper color copied from a vintage bird guide. At number 3, we have homemade body scrub. Handmade body scrubs are the perfect pampering treat for any woman on your holiday list. They're easy to make, and you can customize them with your loved one's favorite scents. To make one, simply mix together some sea salt and coconut oil in a bowl. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil, such as lavender or lemongrass, then stir until well combined. Spoon into pretty jars and tie with ribbons for an extra special touch. At number 2, we have festive pillow. You can take an ordinary pillow and turn it into a Christmas decoration by wrapping it up like a present. It's really that easy. For some extra holiday flair, add a sprig of greenery or hang a festive ornament from it. A brightly colored pillow is best, but you can use any style that suits your recipient's taste. And finally, at number 1, we have homemade pine-scented candles. Not only do these striped candles smell delightful, like pine, but they're also very pretty. The mint and white design will look great in your recipient's home until springtime. To make your own, pour melted wax into a glass container and let it cool for an hour. Once the wax is firm, use a toothpick to swirl in a drop of the green and white food coloring. Then add a wick, let the wax set for an hour, and trim the wick to your desired length. Whether you're looking for a special way to treat your mom, your best friend, or your significant other this holiday season, these DIY gifts are sure to be a hit. So go ahead and stock up on mason jar lids, goat's milk soap ingredients, and other useful and festive items, and get ready to show your loved ones how much you care. Happy holidays!